Thanks for tuning in to today's video pup date. This is the video for the Dogathon service on the 1st of October. And the Dogathon is a service for big dogs or dogs with high energy. So we've got 7 dogs out with us this afternoon, and we'll show you what we have in store for leaving paw prints all over Edinburgh. Stay with us. That is us done for another week. Great walk this afternoon with the usual gang for a Friday, plus Alfie and Otis, our Border Terriers. They're both from my morning pack, and they've absolutely thrived in today's conditions. It's been a bit wet, a bit windy, a bit wild, but we've had a great time, and that rounds us up nicely. So enjoy the video. Please, if you can, give me a like, maybe drop a comment, ask a question, and importantly, please subscribe to the page so you don't miss any of these videos going forward. There'll be more training videos and bits and pieces to come. Until then, have a nice weekend. Speak to you soon.